But again, Shopify experts can set all this stuff up. But you gotta have the logos. You gotta know what your description, because they're not gonna create descriptions for you. You gotta know that. You know what I'm saying? For yourself. So, but this connects to the MailChimp. So you can have your Shopify connect to your MailChimp. So when someone comes on to your website, 15-minute free consultation on X, Y, and Z, right? Because you're only going to target people that want your services, right? So 15-minute consultation, the Squarespace, now you're going to be getting emails. All right, I got to book this person, I got to book that person. And then now when you got them in and you're talking to them, now what's the next step? Now you're giving them a call to action.
Okay.
What is the call to action? Right, no, they're booking an appointment. Let's just say they're booking a 15-minute free appointment with you. Right, they're already doing that. Right, what is it? Do you have a long-term program? Do you have a group? Do you have some product? Like what? So that has to be mapped out.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because if somebody's really saying, all right, Ebony, this is my problem. So let's just say for Liz, last night, remember she was crying. She was talking about all of that. So how do you now, move Liz to where she needs to go? Because everybody's different. Everybody needs something different tailored, to them. So now, you got to map that out.
Grace here from Luxurious Seduction. I'm out here in Miami with Coach Tanisha Marie.
Hey guys.
And I'm out here learning some new skills to add to my business. I'm going to let Tanisha do some talking right now.
Well, we are in the mansion, and we are at the Money Manifestation Mansion Party. So we're doing our makeup, we're doing our photos, we're getting content, and we're actually working. Even though it's looking fun, we're actually working. We're going to the dealership so we can manifest the car that we want. Then we're going on a yacht to go have fun and relax, eat, get some drinks, and then we're coming back to the mansion to work. And then Sunday, of course, we're going to work and we're going to leave. But these are the type of things that people need to see, right? We need to see these type of things to manifest this stuff in our life. You can't be home and think, oh yeah, $1 million gonna fall in my lap. Oh yeah, 6 figures gonna fall in my lap. You gotta go experience. This is greatness, right? You gotta experience greatness. It doesn't matter how much it costs. Whether this trip was 1,000, 10,000. Make sure you get in the environments that you need so that you can be successful. So Tracy has, her line, her lipstick line, her makeup line, and she's trying to change the world with what she's doing. So she has to be here. You can't change the world just sitting behind Instagram. You can't just change the world sitting behind a laptop. You actually got to go and do the work.
That's my coach. So everyone, just check out my upcoming lines. We have some stuff launching before Father's Day for the men's. A men's fragrant line. One is called I Am Man, and the other one is the Head Man in Charge. We also have some new eyeshadow palettes that you'll see within the next couple of